Hi, Samantha here. Today I'm going to be reviewing the foldable coat hangers that I actually purchased when I was getting ready to go on a cruise. I was informed that maybe the cruise line didn't have enough coat hangers in the closets, so I purchased these, stuck them in my bag, and they actually came in very handy while I was on the cruise. They do unfold just like that. Very easy to fold up and unfold. Thin, the size of my hand. And what I do like about them is that they have these little divots where if you have something that is a spaghetti strap, just like this shirt right here, you can easily hang it up in your closet and you do not have to worry about them falling off. They, whoops, with the exception of being too aggressive on shaking it, but they do fit perfectly. You can also use them for if you have long sleeve items, like this shirt here. Again, they fit nicely. They do not, I don't think that they'll cause any like pockets to form on the end. I think they'd be actually okay. But the reason, again, I bought them was for a trip that I had planned, and I will put them in my suitcase and carry them with me from now on. I think they'll be perfect for when I travel. Some hotels, they don't have enough coat hangers either. So these are the perfect thing to have, carry in your suitcase, carry in your backpack, carry in your RV, in your car. You could even do it just in case you need to hang something up in your car. Could work in your office if you need something to hang up a dress coat. These hangers actually would be really handy also if you're in a hotel or in an RV or camping, to be able to wash items and then be able to hang dry as well.